Hey y'all, it's Beth, your instructor. Welcome to week 5, the second half of summer term. We finished the first 4 weeks of the course, the first month, and at the end of my comments for your revision that you turned in last week, I will put down an estimation of your grade for the course so far and what I think you might be able to do to raise it now that we still have a month left in the term. The other thing you need to realize here is that on Friday the 24th is the last day to withdraw from this class with a W. It's also the last day to change from a grade to a pass, no pass option. Talk to me, talk to your advisor if you need help figuring out which one is the best for you. Otherwise, let's just go ahead. We're going to spend the next 4 weeks, the last of this class, working on your research paper, the culmination of this course. What we're doing this week is we're working on the proposal for it, figuring out a topic, and starting to do research. So the activities of this course, this week, is the forum. The forum is due, instead of Wednesday and Friday, it's due on Wednesday and Sunday. Your assignments are still due Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, but I've switched it up a little bit. The forum is not on the circle anymore. I'm hoping that you keep on reading it. But on Wednesday, I want you to just contribute to the forum. What are you thinking about for a topic for your paper? You've had a couple of days to think about it. Nothing major, just what are you thinking? And by Sunday, comment on 2 of your classmates. Do you think they have good ideas? Do you have suggestions for them? Whatever. And then on Friday, I'm asking for a proposal for your research paper. I don't just want a topic. I want you I've given you some possible topics here. Anything on social media would be fine. It can be on the book. It can be on the movie. It can be anything. I'm giving you some ideas, but for your proposal, read this carefully. I want your topic. What aspect of social media do you intend to discuss? Your thesis, I want a complete sentence. What argument do you intend to make in this paper? This course is a course on argumentative writing, so it can't be just a history of Facebook. I want something controversial. Should Facebook fact check more carefully? Have you researched this topic before? I don't care if you've done a paper on this. I just want to know. Possible research you might use as a basis for your argument. And I've said here, please don't write Google. I know you'll use Google. But what kind of website do you think you might use? Also consider you might also do a personal interview with someone you know who might be an expert in the area or have some special expertise. And any kind of problems do you foresee? Could your topic be too broad? Many are. Is there a lack of information? Is it too much? Is it too complex? I've given you a sample that you can look at. We're going to, the next week, start doing research, so you might want to start doing that this week. And as always, let me know if I can help you with anything.